Welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time, at least a month since I've made a video. Apologies, I'm sorry, it's very warm today and I was just outside. So I got a phone call about gosh, no, it must have been like almost 2 months ago now, from my Aunt Janet on my dad's side, whom I haven't seen since I was 5 or so years old. And basically she was saying that they were hosting a big family reunion picnic thingy in August, which it's August now. No, yes, I'm in Seattle. I was like, you know what? I have like a bunch of miles with Alaskan Airlines. I was like, you know what? This is far enough out that I can start planning. So I bought my plane tickets. I got an Airbnb for the night. So tomorrow I'm getting on that plane and I'm going back to St. Paul. Alright, so tomorrow to get to the airport, I'm wearing a pair of white denim shorts, a button-down shirt, nude cami, and my propulsion work hat. Decided that I hate this place. Wait, I gotta go here. I have to go here. Hang on. So I found the light rail station, I believe. Now I can get out of here and go track down my Airbnb. at the Airbnb.